The origin of induced EMF. The flux can be changed by keeping magnetic field constant and moving whole or part of loop by keeping loop fixed and magnetic field varying. C is the combination of A and B which means that keeping loop wholly or partially constant with changing magnetic field. The figure shows that a conducting wire is placed on a magnetic field vector B is placed on a magnetic field vector B of length L conducting wire PQ is placed on a magnetic field B of length L and velocity V the velocity V length of loop rod length of wire is perpendicular to magnetic field and velocity is perpendicular to magnetic field and current. The free electrons keeps moving in the rod or wire and gets deposited at P, hence P becomes negative and Q becomes positive. The force exerted by magnetic field FB is equals to QV cross vector B, and the force exerted by free electrons is Fe is equals to QE equation 1, equation 2 on when the resultant force becomes equal when all the electrons get accumulated at P and positive charge at Q, then Fe is equals to Fb. So QE bar is equals to vector Q vector V cross vector B, Q से Q cancel, vector E is equals to vector V cross vector B, V is equals to EL. From equation 3, V is equals to VBL. Since EMF is induced by difference in potential, then EMF is equals to epsilon equals to VBL. This is equation 4th. Since EMF is induced on a moving wire with velocity V and in motion, hence it is called motional EMF. A square loop having 100 tons and area of 2.5 into the question 10 power minus 3 meter square and a resistance of 100 ohm. The magnetic field has a magnitude of B is equals to 0.40 टेस्ला. ये क्वेश्चन है. इसमें क्या फाइंड करना है. इसमें दिया गया है कि एक स्क्वायर लूप है जिसके 100 टन्स हैं. एरिया जिसका है 2.5 इंटू 10⁻³ मीटर स्क्वायर. रेजिस्टेंस है 100 ओम और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है फील्ड है 0.40 टेस्ला। तो हमें यहाँ पे फाइंड करना है लेंथ ऑफ द साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर लूप, फाइंड द स्पीड ऑफ द स्क्वायर लूप, find the induced EMF, find the current in the loop, find the force on the loop due to magnetic field, find the work done by force in pulling out of the field slowly and uniformly in 1.0 second, find the power delivered by force. So now let us solve this problem. So first we have to find the length. So length or side square, side of the square loop will be equals to under root of A area. So area is given, area is 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter square. So length will be equals to, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो 245 इंटू 10 raised to power minus 3 minus 1, तो ये आ जाएगा अंडर रूट में तो यहाँ से अंडर रूट में कितना आएगा 25 इंटू 10 raised to power minus 4, यह आ जाएगा 5 इंटू 10 raised to power minus 2 विच इज़ इक्वल्स टू 0.05 मीटर. सो यहाँ से साइड आ गई कितनी 0.5 मीटर. Then we have to find the speed of the square loop. So the speed of the square loop is equals to, स्पीड कैसे आएगी, हम जानते हैं कि एस जो है डिस्टेंस जो होता है स्पीड इंटू टाइम होता है, तो स्पीड हमें मिल जाएगी डी बाई टी से. सो स्पीड इज इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. So it will become distance is for 0.05 meter and time is given in 1 second. So it will be equals to 0.05 meter per second. फिर हमें निकालना है find the induced EMF. We have to find the induced EMF. Induced EMF will be equal to VBL. So it is the velocity 0.05 into B. मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का मैग्नीट्यूड कितना है 0.40 T इंटू लेंथ कितनी है 0.05 मीटर विच इज़ इक्वल्स टू 5 5 से 25 1 2 3 4 इंटू 0.40, तो ये आ जाएगी 25 4 जा 100 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 0.01 it is equals to 1 into 10 is to power minus 3. And now we have to find the current in the loop. Now we have to find the current. So current is equals to current in the loop will be equals to induced EMF divided by resistance. So induced EMF is 1 into 10 is to power minus 3 and resistor is 100